Greetings everybody, welcome back to another video. It's been 2 weeks since I done a tech tutorial. Some of you have been requesting me to do more videos on DaVinci Resolve. So this week I'm going to be showing you how to apply a green screen onto your videos using DaVinci Resolve. So first we're going to have DaVinci Resolve open, and we're going to go to the Media tab to import some media to work with. Go to the desktop. You're going to select two pieces of media to work with. You're not going to change any resolutions or frame rates of any sort. You're going to drag the photo onto the timeline. Now you see here, this is the photo that I used when I was doing the tutorial on the little planet effect using GIMP a while back. Now those of you who haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link up in the corner for you to go check out that video. Now basically in that video I just took this picture, I straightened it out and applied a tiny planet effect to it. Now I could use GIMP to fix this photos and then bring it back into DaVinci, but you could actually fix this photo with DaVinci by just going into the inspector tab, turn it on, select the photo. Now here there's a property called rotation angle, so you would just take that and edit it, move it a little to left or right. Now you're gonna have to eyeball it because it's not, you know, there's no guideline for you to have a more precise edit to it, but this does a pretty good job. Anyway, let's bring in the green screen video we're going to be applying on top of this. Here's a green screen video of the American flag that I'm going to be using to apply onto this photo, or on top of this photo. And we're going to go into the cutter tab to do that. So let's go into the cutter. Now all the effects and tasks that you want to apply to your videos and clips is done through nodes. Now a lot of video editors use layers to apply effects or do work on their videos, but in DaVinci they use a node system to accomplish this. Now here is one node. This is the video that is coming in to the cutter tab. So and here's the line that's going out to the cutter tab. Now after we key out the green cutter and we want to, you know, export the photo or export the video out, we will need alpha output. So what we will do is we will right click, add an alpha output, and then connect it to the node. So now the video or the clip will come in this node. We would then key out the green, and then we would output alpha output of this clip without the green cutter. So we could use the qualifier to do that. So make sure to click on the qualifier tab. Now I like to use the 3D version or the 3D mode of the qualifier. I'm going to show you why in a moment. So basically you just click on here. As you see here, just select all the green color. We don't want the green color, we want to key that out. So what we would do, we will invert our selection by clicking on this button here. Now you just have the flag. Now you see here there's a little bit of green that is, you know, if we zoom in a little bit you will see it. There's a little bit of green around the lines. And what we could do is we could just click on this checkbox and it will clear it out. I mean, if we were using the original qualifier, we will have to do some fine editing with the denoise, and depending on how good your green screen video is, you may need to do some more work on it, especially for green screen videos that you create with your own set, because a lot of times the lighting may be uneven, or you may have obstacles in your green screen that you need to either cut out and things like that. But this is a pure green screen video, so we don't need to do all that jazz to it. So let's just zoom back to fit. Now we just go back to the timeline, and there you go. You key out the green and you apply the green screen on top of your picture or video. We can also add some more effect to it. Let's click on the clip. Let's turn on the inspector tab. Let's add a keyframe in the beginning of the clip, and let's turn the opacity all the way down so it looks like it's not showing up in the beginning of the clip. And then we will play a little bit and advance the clip. And then over here we would just turn on the opacity a little bit. And then just continue on like this. So it's kind of like a little bit of a montage on top of your video. We go to the beginning of the clip and play it. It would just fade in that sense. And you may add some text to this, or make the flag a little smaller, or you may add some color grain to the photo, and things like that. So this is pretty much how you would apply green screen on top of your videos and on top of your photos. Now you can also do this using Fusion. For all those who are interested, if you want me to create another video on how to use Fusion to key out green screen videos, leave in the comments below, and I would have that done for either the next video or down the line. So if you find this video helpful, hit the like button. If you enjoy this tutorial, subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more tech tutorial vlogs, fun and challenges. And make sure to click on the notification bell to get notified when I create new videos. As always, everybody, have a nice day, and I see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.